When was the last time you took a moment and looked up at the sky? Have you ever tried to make a shape out of the clouds as they pass by? Or wonder why some clouds are different than others? Clouds can tell us an awful lot about our weather patterns. As cloud climatologists, scientists look how clouds affect the climate and in turn, how the climate can affect the clouds. Today, the Science Center of Iowa will walk through an app that you can use to help NASA scientists study this relationship of clouds. The Globe Observer app, sponsored by NASA, allows all of us to take a role as a citizen scientist. Through our observations, we can record what type of clouds we see in our sky, which will help scientists better understand our climate. As you know, clouds come in all different shapes and sizes, but they all play a role in how much or how little of the sun's radiation makes it to the Earth. You can see in this diagram how thin, wispy clouds can allow a lot of solar radiation in, and how thicker clouds closer to the Earth's surface block it out. And as you can see from the diagram, even on cloudy days, there's still some sun rays that makes it to Earth's surface. So yes, it's always important to wear sunscreen. And now let's take a quick look at the Globe Clouds module. The app will ask you to record your date, time, and location, as well as observe what the sky looks like. It will then ask you to estimate about what percentage of the sky is covered by clouds, and how blue it is. Don't worry, there's pictures available to help guide you through this process. Now, for those of you that may not remember quite how to identify clouds, they also have a cloud identification wizard that will help you identify the different clouds you see in the sky. The types of clouds you see also tells you how high they are located in the sky. Now, there are a lot of different cloud classifications, but some simple ones to remember are those thin, wispy clouds high up in the sky. Those are called cirrus clouds, while the large, puffy clouds, or cumulus clouds, are usually found in the middle. Our low-level clouds are called stratus, and they're usually so thick that they can block out most of the blue sky we see. If you're interested in learning more, be sure to check out the Science Center of Iowa's Facebook, website, and Twitter page for more information as we help you go beyond with Sci. Thanks for joining me today, but now it's time for me to get outside and start observing the clouds I see. What does that one look like? Kind of looks like a duck.